This workout guides you to work on basics for acrobatic skills, such as a handstand, a back of front walkover, or a back handspring step out. How does it work and what do you need? You will need a bit of free space and preferably a higher surface, such as a block. First, you will see a glimpse of every exercise. Then a timer starts and you will have to practice it yourself for 30 seconds. Exercise 1. Put your hands exactly underneath your shoulders. Your arms should be tight. Try to create a perfect horizontal line from feet to shoulders. When you actively push on your hands, your shoulders should form a turtle back. A turtle back means that your shoulder blades are pushed up and round. When you have the perfect line, your core is probably working hard to maintain it. You are doing great. Exercise 2. Try to push your hips up so there is a horizontal line from feet to shoulders. Your hands, again, should be right underneath your shoulders. Maintaining this position is a challenge, but try to hold it as static as possible. Exercise 3. Lift one leg and try to keep your hips squared. Can you keep your highest foot exactly above your hip? Make sure your head is up and your arms are straight. Exercise 4. Creating a squared position by pushing onto a higher surface. Create open shoulders, but tuck your ribs in. This is an easy position to practice the position of your head in a handstand. Try to cover your ears and peek to your hands. Exercise 5. This is the same shape as exercise 4, but upside down. Try to tuck your ribs in and keep your head in between your arms. For many acrobatic skills, it is helpful to look to your hands, especially when you think of working on beam. Make sure you pay attention to holding your head in the right position. Exercise 6. Try to find the perfect vertical line from toe to wrists. There are many similarities between all exercises, such as tucking your ribs in and keeping your head in a neutral position and peeking to your hands. Exercise 7. An arched handstand, as a shape to understand a similar phase in a back handspring or in a front handspring. Since your back is arched, it is a challenge to actively push, tuck your ribs, and create length. However, creating length, open shoulders, and an active support position is what you should be trying to achieve. Exercise 8. A split handstand, in an arched position just like exercise 7. When you think of doing a back walkover over or a back handspring step out on a beam, it is really important to be able to see the beam and to see your hands. The better you have your head in the right place in a static shape and practice awareness of where to look at, the better you can apply that in a skill. Exercise 9. A bridge, while also working on open shoulders, an active support position, and the position of your head. The vertical surface of a block offers implicit information to stimulate a vertical line of shoulders. Exercise 10. Lift one foot up in the air, as high and flexible as you can. Try to keep balance and to hold the best bridge that you are capable of doing. This shape requires control and flexibility, but when you master it, it helps you also to control back and front walkovers on a beam. Yeah, you have completed this program. Now it might be interesting to practice your handstand or your back walkover while applying shapes and aspects of this workout into your skills. Maybe your arms are more tight, the position of your head is improved, and you are able to see your own hands. Or maybe you can feel how to tuck your ribs while standing upside down.